Okay, so first step, we run the game, and then we choose easy anti-cheat or Xigncode, depends on the game. So I'm gonna run this one, easy anti-cheat. And while we are waiting, I wanna show you my new channel in Discord. And it's handmade. So my girl is making these unique items, and she also set personal requests. We are waiting for the message box error right here. And once the error pop out, we can click enter to open cheat engine. You can add her on Discord and talk about what you need for your house. She have way more. This is just some of it. And we'll run the game for second time. Click enter to open cheat engine. And we can also protect cheat engine by using this one. I select Gameguard. This is only useful for Gameguard. We can protect it in like a kernel protection for cheat engine. And we attach to the process.